My instructor has suggested I read the article 3 Paradigms of Computer Science from the journal Minds and Machines. Here are 3 basic ways to find the article. I'll start by putting it into Summon with quotation marks around it. Summon found my article right away because it's included in the library's online catalog. This link here takes me to the publisher homepage. From here, I can download the article directly as a PDF or view it as an HTML file. I can also use Google Scholar to find my article by going to the Databases tab of the library's homepage and scrolling down to Google Scholar. I still put the whole article title with quotation marks around it. Google Scholar also found my article right away. Take note of the Get This at UVic link. Once again, I can follow links to the publisher homepage and track down this article, or if I don't have time, I can email or export this citation. For those first 2 examples, I was using the article title, and I was relying on the article being online rather than in print. But the best way to find an article is to go through the journal title and flip through it as though I were flipping through an actual journal until I find my article. So to do that, I go to the Journal Titles tab of the library's homepage and enter the journal title there. Remember, the journal title is different from the article title. This is the most direct way of looking for an article that I already know the title of, because if it wasn't online, I would automatically find that call number. I can email or text the call number to myself, but since I'm interested in the electronic version, I'll click this link. This takes me to the library catalog record, and any of these links will take me to the article online. Every publisher homepage is a little bit different, so yours might not look exactly like this, but try to find somewhere that lists all the issues. In this case, it's over here on the left. It might also be under archival or past content. The citation information for mine told me that it was volume 17, number 2, so I scrolled down until I found those numbers. Once I click on that issue, my title comes up, and there you have it. To learn more, check out our other tutorials.